Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to record or how to screen record on Windows with audio. Press Windows Shift S to open the capture toolbar, right? Click the video camera icon or record at the top. You can click plus new, then click and drag your cursor over the area you want to record. On the top toolbar, click the microphone or speaker icons to turn your mic or system sounds on or off. In my case, I don't have this feature because I'm using like an older update. But in your case, if you have Windows 11 with like the new update, you can go ahead and start recording, right? And basically you can click start to begin. When you're finished, click the red stop button. Your video will automatically pop up in a preview window where you can trim and save it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.